This is another project I want to work on, is restoring this axe. So the head is like real loose. You probably can't see. Oh, you can see it there. Yeah. So we're gonna have to put a new handle on it for sure. But also I want to refinish the blade. Maybe make it shiny. I don't know. Definitely put a new edge on it. Yeah, this is the project. The handle is also got a chunk out, so I will be getting a new handle. So the first step, we're gonna cut the handle off and work on the blade, or work on the axe head. So yep, that's the next project I'm gonna be working on. There you go. Alright. Got the axe handle off, but having trouble to getting it out, so drilling some holes. There's the axe handle, what remains of it. Alright, we finally got the axe handle out. And that's what it looks like. So we're going to be sanding and restoring this in some coming videos. Looks like it's been pounded there. So yeah, this belonged to my stepdad who passed away, and it came into my hands, so I'd like to restore it and make it something nice to have around. So that's what we'll be doing. Ordering a new handle. I think this came on with a 32-inch handle, so I'll try to find one for it. If any of you guys know good axe handles, let me know in the comments. But that's what I'll be doing in my spare time. Is anything coming off?
Kind of, not really.
Like as far as the rust though? Does any of the rust come off?
Not that I can tell. What's the thing? A little bit.
Okay, brush the other side a little. You didn't do that side yet, right?
Oh yeah, some of that's coming off.
Yeah, that's gonna be.